Once upon a time there was a dishwasher, an old dishwasher who'd given the family lots and lots of service throughout the years. But unfortunately it was old and it was grey, and it had been sat next to a fantastically new washing machine, a black silky washing machine, a Beko washing machine with 14,000 RPM, an A++, with a beautiful LED screen and lots of beautiful features. How could the dishwasher, the old dishwasher, compare with this? It was very upset. It needed to be replaced. But who? The poor family couldn't afford to replace it as yet, so the dishwasher trundled on, endlessly waiting for that time when it would retire and be replaced by a fantastic new Beko black dishwasher. Bye.